What's up guys, Rishi here. In this video we look at how various technologies work and basically we look at how it's done. First off, let's look at BMW plant. At Dinglofing, BMW uses KUKA technology. KUKA is a Chinese-owned German manufacturer. KUKA provides tailor-made automation solutions. KUKA uses machine learning algorithms such as deep learning. Deep learning is done where tasks are either semi-supervised or unsupervised. Initially, you could buy a KUKA yogurt from the store. However, now it is not available commercially. Yet, you can buy a second-hand model on eBay. The price ranges from $10,000 to $18,000. Yet, cheaper alternatives can be found, such as the Arduino Braccio robotic arm. You can have it for research purposes for $239 on robotshop.com. The Arduino Braccio robotic arm can be programmed using Python. You can add your own machine learning algorithms on it. You can go to the MQTT Braccio GitHub to find out more on how to program this device. Next we got Rio Tinto. As part of the AutoHaul project, Rio Tinto made the world's largest robot. It is found that Rio Tinto generates more than 2.4 terabytes of data every minute. It does that using a range of sensors which provide real-time data on its location and condition of equipments. The company uses a network of computers to make sure that the train does not pass speed limits and that it does not collide with other trains. Like many other autonomous vehicles, it is likely that the autonomous train is using the NVIDIA drive to compute its machine learning algorithms. Another company that uses such a drive is Tesla. The Model S, Model X and the Model 3 are equipped with the NVIDIA drive. The AI processor delivers 320 trillion deep learning operations per second. With advancements in artificial intelligence, GPUs are gaining values day by day. It is in fact recognized by Forbes that GPUs are the new CPUs. Next on the list we got GNS Healthcare. GNS Healthcare uses machine learning technology to find patterns in medical data. According to Glassdoor, it has its own proprietary algorithms on top of the TensorFlow machine learning language, and it uses the AWS platform for day-to-day operations. TensorFlow has become a popular tool, or rather a popular language, which is being used by many companies to create their own artificial intelligence services. If you are a JavaScript developer, then you can try to deploy your own machine learning models on your browser using Node.js at js.tensorflow.org. Or rather, if you prefer to code in Python, then you can simply install TensorFlow on your computer, and you can do that on Windows, macOS, Ubuntu or even Raspberry Pi at tensorflow.org. Last but not the least, we have Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce Einstein provide CRM services powered by artificial intelligence. It uses techniques such as natural language processing and smart data discovery to process data which has not even been normalized. It uses its own machine learning language, Transmograph AI, which is a language which has been written on top of the Apache stack. Specifically, it is written in Scala code. Transmograph AI has been made open source and you can use it to create your own machine learning models to predict customer behavior without large datasets. Speaking of datasets, you can also use the website called Kedle to find data. Moving on. This video is brought to you by Namecheap. Namecheap offers affordable domains, SSL certificates, and web hosting at a cheap price. Namecheap provided me with excellent customer service. They helped me troubleshoot my own domain name and DNS via their intuitive chat interface. Check them out in the link in the description.